Sound effects that VTubers use in their videos. Part 9. Munch sound effect. You can use this when,
Yummy.
Taco Bell sound effect. I usually use this sound effect when something bad happens. Or it could be a filler sound as well. There's multiple uses for this one. Cartoon Dizzy Bird sound effect. Typically used when something is stunned in-game, or if someone or something is dizzy. Cartoon phone talking sound effect. I really like using this sound effect when someone is yapping. It's perfect. Cash register ka-ching sound effect. Cause you know, money! Woohoo! Like and sub right now for $1 gazillion in your bank account.